The week has just started and I need something fancy yet quick to get me through the day. And what's better than spaghetti with cherry tomatoes? Simple ingredients and even simpler steps with the help of Upliance, India's first AI cooking companion. So, let's get started. Our first step is boiling the pasta. For that we'll need 140 grams of spaghetti. Sorry, Italians. 1 medium spoon of salt and 700 grams of water. And then let it cook for 25 minutes. Pasta is done. Strain the pasta water and keep it aside. And always remember to reserve some pasta water. Pasta water actually has all the starch from boiling the pasta. So अगर आप उसे use करें instead of normal water while you're cooking the remaining of the dish, it'll be more rich and flavorful. 15 grams of garlic, 5 grams of mint leaves, 2 dried red chili, and now we cut the garlic. Scrape the jar. Add 200 grams of cherry tomatoes, 1 small spoon of salt and 3 large spoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now let's saute the tomatoes. Oh my god, this smells amazing. Next, we're going to assemble all our ingredients in a bowl. We have our pasta, our sauteed tomatoes, 30 grams of boiled pasta water, 1 large spoon lemon juice, and if you're feeling a bit fancy like me, zest of a lemon. Now we're going to mix. Mix it well. Time for taste test. Oh my god, this feels amazing and I'm not kidding. If you want to see more of Upliance in action, why not subscribe?